don't forget, make sure, oh my god, you guys, I'm fucking up everywhere. Oh my god. Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant and girl. Today we have the Island Days collection here. It's 5 bars that are coming, I think July 25th. I'm not sure. We're gonna go over all that because girl, we got notes down here. We finally got some notes. But I got to sniff these at SFR. And let me tell you, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna be all right with them. So, but first up, we got the 2 buddy clips I ordered. Oh girl, when Stitch and Angel just relaunched. I already have all the buddies, and I have the warmer, and I have the wax, but I don't have the Bitty Buddies. So I wanted to show you guys the Bitty Buddies because they're super cute. I love these. They're huge. They're huge buddies. This is Stitch in his Experiment 626 scent, if I'm not mistaken, and Angel in her 624. She's huge. Look at that, you guys. They're huge little Bitty Buddies. They got their little designs on the back, their ears. Really, really cute. I hope you guys pick these up. I ended up loving them. They both smell amazing. This is like pink cotton candy, and Stitch is like heavy coconut with some kind of lei, if I'm not mistaken. But they are cute. Worth picking up. I still believe they're available on my website. But let's get into Island Days. As consultants, we had a perk to get this first. We got it a month ahead of time. I ordered them. They came on time. Girl, I'm just late to the game. I'm still on SFR high, so I'm still playing catch up with everything. So number 1 on the list for Island Days. Oh, by the way, they will, so let's go when they're going to be available. They're going to be available July 25th. The whole bundle for your 5 bars is $25, or they are $6 each, and they will be available on my website July 25th. Probably, yep, starting anywhere between 9:30 and 10:30, around the 10 o'clock hour on my website. So 5 bars that we have to go to. I think region 3 got these first, and now we're barely getting them. So we did like some kind of switcheroo. We got, what did we get, girl? The relaxing vitamins collection first, and then they got these, and now they're getting the vitamin collection, and we're getting the Island Days. So first one up is going to be Driftwood Jasmine. What the freaking name is this? Driftwood and Jasmine. So here we go. Driftwood Jasmine Scentsy Bar. Driftwood and Jasmine add depth to beach of Tunisian vanilla. I love the packaging. Reminds me, of course, of an island. I've only been to, gosh, how many islands have I been to? I've been to Mexico. I've been to like the Baja Island part, and I've been to Hawaii. This smells nice. So I smelled these. I only like 2. I think it was this one. This one smells really nice. This is smooth because it has driftwood in it, and I like it because of the vanilla. This leans a little bit masculine for me. This would be nice for a bedroom scent. Next up, we have Salted Bergamot Breeze. A refreshing ocean breeze carries hints of pineapple and grows of salted bergamot. I thought this was going to be my scent just by the scent notes. Like, really, that pineapple, totally beachy vibes, totally give me a tan. Like, this is what I feel like. This is like masculine, salt, a little sweet. It's not for me. I thought this definitely was going to be up my alley. I thought the bergamot wasn't going to be so like forward, but it is. This is totally masculine and salt for me. But these, I don't know what they're going to be like warm. This is just first sniffs. It can be a little aquatic, mostly man. So we have Star Apple Freesia, a burst of star apple tropical mango garnished with pink freesia. This is club worthy. When I smelled this at SFR, I couldn't stop smelling it. Even my niece was like, I need this right now. This is fruity. This is apple. This is Oh, you get that mango. And it's not too floral with freesia. It's just the right amount. This is like very, very fruity and I like it. I hope this performs very, very well. This one I'm super, super excited for. That one I want to order more and more bars of. We have Sunshine and Tan Lines. Yes, girl, tan lines all the way. Okay, so orange flower, creamy banana, sunbathe in a sea of whipped coconut. Now this also sounds like it's up my alley. I did not like it at SFR. Did not, and I love that it's at tan. I love it. Oh, I don't know what it is. It smells like very astringent, very alcohol. I smell some banana in there. It's not like whipped coconut though. Like, I don't know. This just doesn't smell good on cold. I was hoping for like banana, coconut, and what did it say? It was orange flower, so it's supposed to have some kind of flower. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. Maybe I don't like the flower. And I usually love flower. But it's very light. It's not for me. I don't really care for this one either. This is the one I said that's ended up stinking. I was like, why does this smell? And it could be too. So everybody's smelling the bars, okay? I know. The Rona's going around. I get it. We all knew what we were getting into when we were going to SFR. You knew. If you wanted to smell, you smelled. If you didn't, you didn't. You made your own choices as a freaking adult, okay? And I made the choice to smell it. Yeah. I mean, it could smell a little suntan lotion. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this warms on warm. So we'll see. Next up is, what is this? Tare and coconut. Silky tare flower and coconut. Enjoy breathtaking, sparkling citrus sunset. See, this sounds like this is up my alley too. I didn't like it when I smelled it at SFR. I don't know, maybe I like it now. I love the color. Oh, this is my favorite color. If you guys know anything about me, yellow is my favorite color. Oh no, this actually smells nice. This smells like a little bit of cocoa for coconuts, just not as intense. No, I like it. So, out of the five, I only like two. So, that's pretty much it for me. These, again, I'm going to warm them. I'm going to try to get a warm review before July 25th. We'll see how that goes because, girl, it's just a busy month. Got a lot of home construction going on here. So we busy, but it's okay. So all 5 of these, girl, we dropping them, will be available in a set for $25. July 25th, set your clocks if you're wanting new wax. If you don't want the set, you can get them for $6 individually, or you can bundle and save and put them in one of your 6-packs. So that's always the best way to go. And as always, Scentsy Fam, let me know down below your thoughts. Are we picking up this set? What are we thinking? I'm only loving 2. Let me know if you have smelled them already, especially the consultants. I love to hear everyone's thoughts because all of our sniffers differ, of course. That's how it just goes in life. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the like, subscribe, all the clicking, all the great stuff. Share it if it will help somebody out. Love that. And if you still want to hang around after all of that, you guys, there's always a video here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.